Hello, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be showing you how to put on contacts, or at least how I put on contacts. Look at him. Alright, let's get into it. Here we have everything you need: the contact case, the contact lens, the contact solution. Just be sure there's no stuff in your contact solution. And now putting on the contact. Mine are circle lenses. They enlarge my eyes pretty big, as you can see. And yeah, let's just put on the contact. So I take the contact, I try to get the center of the contact on the center of my finger. Right, oh, I'm trying to focus. Anyways, I'm gonna turn it inside out so you can see what it's not supposed to look like. Because there is a right side and a wrong side. This is the wrong side. It sort of looks like the top lip is sort of flipped out. Sort of like that. I'm just gonna flip it right side in, and it's gonna be one smooth curve. Sort of like a bowl. Well, they both look like bowls, but this one doesn't have that lip flippy thingy. Anyways, I'm just gonna get it wet so it'll go into my eye comfortably. Just like that. I'm gonna try and get the center where the pupil is on the center of my finger. This way it doesn't get too much contact with my finger and it doesn't like stick awkwardly. Just gonna pull my eyelid down. I'm gonna go one side at a time. Gonna make sure it clears my whole eyeball on the bottom first, and then I'm just gonna push it in. And with both my fingers, I'm gonna push all of the air bubbles out. Sometimes if you just keep on pushing, it'll go in. And you cry sometimes. That's inevitable. And there are both my contacts in, but this is how you get it out. Without tears. So I take my fingers and I do this motion. I sort of pinch it out with that motion. I try not to scratch my eye. I use the pads of my fingers. And let's just do this one more time. So I get my eyelid on the bottom. I go one side at a time. I don't really look at it when I'm looking in the mirror because I don't want to freak myself out looking straight at the contact, so I sort of put it on the side of my eye. Just sort of slide it in just like that. There we go. And it's sort of still irritating my eye. It could have been a little piece of dust or something. So I'm just gonna take that out, put it back in the solution, put some more solution in, and rinse it off and try again. But that's how I do it.